towers from point 1.
Up next. Evan, Canty, and Michelle are
from the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland from the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency. This
Democratic Senators Alex Padilla and Robert Menendez both are out. Those spotted said that they would not vote for the bill. So conveniently, the force out was forgotten by folks.
from the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency. This is the required monthly from the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency. This is the required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System.
Position that you
from the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency. This is the required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System.
Stoke the flames of anger.
The cherry system.
From the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency. This is the required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System.
Jute with this.
And south 2 feet at 14 seconds. Patchy fog in the evening. Patchy drizzle after midnight. Thursday, light winds, becoming west. This is the weekly test of the NOAA radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards. The weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and selected watches, hazards, and special non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters. The coastal waters forecast for the following tonight. This is a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated by this tone to warn you of impending weather hazards in southwest Arizona and southeast California. Tests of these radios are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of, or existing severe weather in your area Wednesday, this test will not be conducted. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning services possible, this warning alarm will only be activated for watches and warnings affecting Yuma and La Paz counties in Arizona, and Imperial and Eastern Riverside counties in California. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. The current time is This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device. North wind. This is a weekly test of the emergency alert system from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Las Vegas, Nevada. This system is used to provide warnings and essential safety information during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, you would receive official information, news, or instructions from the station. This concludes the weekly test of the Southern Nevada Emergency Alert System. The forecast for the spring. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a required weekly test for the following areas in extreme southwestern California: Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators.
This is the Colorado Bureau of Investigation with an Amber Child abduction alert. We have received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in Pueblo, Colorado. The Pueblo Police Department is searching for 13-year-old Sandra Mendoza, last seen in the vicinity of the 1200 block of South Prairie Avenue at about 5:10 this evening. Sandra is described as a Hispanic, female, 13 years old, 5 feet tall, 100 pounds, with black hair and hazel eyes. Sandra was last seen wearing a black t-shirt and blue jeans. Investigators believe Sandra was taken by an unknown Hispanic male, traveling in a stolen 2005 Ford F-250, white in color with a blue camper shell, bearing Colorado license plate BLBC78, that Sandra was last seen in. If you have any information regarding this abduction, immediately call 911.
Air One, worship now.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This has been a test of the emergency alert system designed to keep you informed of national, state, and local emergencies. Air One. Worship now.
Mark Garrigo says the LA District Attorney's Office has been cooperating with them in a review of
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for Shasta, CA, beginning at 10:03 p.m. and ending at 11:03 p.m. This is a test of the emergency alert system for Shasta County. In the event of an actual emergency, tune to this station for important information.
Services, but hard.
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for Shasta, CA, beginning at 10:03 p.m. and ending at 11:03 p.m. This is a test of the emergency alert system for Shasta County. In the event of an actual emergency, tune to this station for important information.
Smothering him until he...
within the two parables. The exhortation.
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for Shasta, CA, beginning at 10:03 p.m. and ending at 11:03 p.m. This is a test of the emergency alert system for Shasta County. In the event of an actual emergency, tune to this station for important information.
God, that's the